Let me just do all this over here, get this all ready. So it is the 22nd over here. Nice. Let's put this on. So sponsored. Wicked. Right, I just accidentally deleted the camera on my thing, so let me just add this on again. Here we go. First comment, amazing. 1 second over here. Here we go. Right, okay. So lock, don't lock. Nice. Here we go. Right, okay. Let me just try. It was off, I think. Nice. Okay. Wicked. I think you guys can hear me as well. Yeah. Okay, sorted. Welcome everyone to Friday. Finishing off a beautiful week over here. Very, very good week it was. Morning. So let's take a look at some pairs over here. I'm just gonna do some Instagram posts, and then we can get up and running for the day. Morning everyone. Wicked. We're filling up nicely over here. So let's just get the charts open over here, and we can start to see some trades you maybe wanted to take. So make sure to everyone, if you guys do have any charts, make sure you send them in. They will help significantly if you do that. If you do that on a daily basis, it will help a lot. Gold 5 minute just gone 15 pips. Oh shit. I'll take a look at that in a second. Damn. Right, so first of all, as you can see, GJ on the daily time frame, this one is bearish. The one yesterday was bearish as well. Right here. Okie dokie.
Yeah, well, it's just bad luck that it didn't do what we wanted, man.
Ooh. What's this trade you did, bud?
I don't know. It's just bad luck, isn't it?
Finn, what trade are you talking about? Just gold here.
Oh shit, sorry man, I didn't even realise, man.
Finn does this every week. He's like, I'm like, are you fucking talking to me?
Sorry, man.
Oh wow. Well, yeah, shit. Gold actually got a closure. Unfortunately, it hasn't had a bottom wick, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. But hey ho. First of all, talking about GJ over here. Beautiful. Let me just do a thing for YouTube over here. Morning. I think this week has been very, very nice over here. I think we've had some good trades. I think I've taken 7 trades and lost 1, so pretty good. My room's fucking hot. The radiator is way too hot on this. We are live on the YouTube. Make sure to come and join the squad. Let's go. Okay, wicked. So it does look pretty bearish in GG over here. Okay, let's look at the lower time frames though. Let's take a look at the hourly. Okay, so hourly is coming down over here. Oh, 1 second. No data. The streaming will end shortly. Oh fuck. Why are you doing this, brother? 1 second. I'm just doing technical difficulties over here. Oh, there we go. Okay, wicked. So we are coming down over here. Nice. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Making a little bit of support. It's a bit choppy until these lows over here, but I think for me, GJ sells may be nice. Sorry. Oh my god, I've got a cold again. I think around about this area. So 157 0.12 I think is going to be nice to continue bearish over here. That is 18 pips away. I'm trying to think of how to get in a bit earlier, but for me, it's a bit chalked. Because right at this time we're making a little bit of support as well, so I think safer sells are going to be below here for me. So let's take a look over here. Safe sells below 157.000, I think. Yeah, so around about that level over here, I think that's going to be looking nice. Why are you always sick and laughing out loud? I don't know, just in the morning my nose is just fucking blocked for some reason. Just like really irritated. No idea why. So also, if I'm looking for buys over here, where am I looking for buys? Well, I think I'll be looking for buys potentially above here. 157,400 level, because if we do, then there's nice clean candles to the left to fill up, which is like 27 pips. And then the 4 hour and the daily will be in our bias as well, so very, very nice. So definitely sells above, buys above over here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Here we go. So buys above. So now you can be fluid. You have a lot. You can have buy and sell opportunities. You don't have to worry about it. Just chill. But yeah, this is our little zone we're playing in. Don't really like this one because there's lots of choppiness here. This is a bit choppy. So sells would be nice here. Why wouldn't you put your sells 156,784? What here? Because if I take some sells over here, I have 20 pips. It's a nice zone. Clean candles. Got a wick here to fill. I think that's perfect for sells below this zone over here. Let's just change this. Why is this on blue? Here we go. So yeah, I think that's going to be a valid option over here. Yeah, still bearish, so I'd prefer buys. Wait, yeah, it's still bearish, so I'd prefer. What, you'd prefer buys? I'd probably prefer sells over here today. And before I look at any more charts, what we're going to do is we're going to be checking the news just in case there's any big volume over here. Oh, look what happened there. Retail sales over here. Retail sales minus 0.2. They expected 0.6, so 7 AM. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, a little bit of a drop, but not too big, to be honest. It's a minus one as well. That's bad. Retail sales down again. That really isn't good for the economy, I'm telling you. So, not the best over here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold looks like it's continuing over here. Damn, son. That was nice. I mean, this 15-minute closure above over here was good, but you know, we always wait for top wicks, and unfortunately this one didn't have one, which is a bit of a shame. Let's take a look at how you could have entered. 16 pip stop, 20 pip gain over here. 1790. Wow, look at this. Looking towards the left over here. Where's the next zones it could tap? Well, what happened before? Price came over here. Oh shit! And the first resistance it kind of took was around about this level. So 1795. It could be good. GA might be good if it closes below 170. Okay, we'll take a look at that. Let's take a look and move all my gold stuff over here. Can't be asked to redo it because it looks pretty. Oh wow, the daily doesn't even have a bottom wick. Okay, daily does not have a bottom wick. That's a bit of a shame, but it looks like it ran off perfectly over here. So we had resistance. It closed above. That was really good. 7 AM, and then this candle over here just continued. Very, very nice. So yeah, 715 over here, making the bottom wick and continuing. That could have been an entry, really. That looks pretty good now. Do you trade USD? Nope, I do not trade. Up 27 pips on gold. Shee, that's nice. Looks like I've missed the gold trade over here, but that closure above, very, very solid over here. Nice. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. We're here every single day. Also, if you guys haven't checked out my new YouTube video, make sure you do so. I'll show you where it is over here. Yeah, this one right here. Basically, go through my trades, which caught 100 pips. Make sure to comment and like on it and share it, all that good stuff. Yeah, it's pretty good over here. Make sure to go and check that out if you guys haven't already. So yeah, as we said, news, we were alright for news at the time being. There's news at 9:30 manufacturing PMI, which is not too bad. So that is good. I'm going to be checking some charts in a second. Guys, what are magic keys? It's this. It's a device where you can manage your trades with a click of a button. Very, very good. And I advise getting one. They're very, very cheap. Use my code and you'll save 10% off. So let's take a look at GBPUSD over here. Let's get rid of all this. Let's take a look at the daily time frame over here. Okay. So daily time frame is bearish right now. Kind of making some rejections over here. Okay. So this is the daily. So we always do this on every single chart. We make sure we know where the daily and the 4 hour flips are, because they are big higher time frame flips, so the big levels over here. Now take a look at the hourly. Okay. Yeah, so someone said 170. Sounds about right over here. So for me, it's going to be looking pretty good as well. I kind of want a closure, yeah, below this zone. Right around this level over here. And then we've got nice wicks to the left to continue down. Wow, that's a big drop over here. Holy shit. Let me just tighten this up. Yeah, that looks good. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Let me just tighten this up right around this area, I think. There's a little minor resistance here, but I'm not really too bothered with it because, yeah, it's not too bad. But it looks very, very good over here. I do think if we get a closure below, it'll be good. For me, I'm going to be looking for sells above 1.844,920 level. But yeah, for me, I think sells are going to be pretty good over here. Sells is going to be pretty nice. Look at the daily 4 hour. Yeah, it's looking pretty good over here. Nice. Wow, look at that. Holy shit. Around 40 pips. Okay. I see you, Gold. I see you. Very, very good. Right, I'll be taking a look at some charts over here. If you guys are in Telegram as well, make sure to put some charts in over here. People yesterday took some amazing trades. We smashed it in the NY session as well. We took a lot of trades. That was beautiful as well. Nice celery play on GJ that Jay took as a paper trade. Beautiful. 17 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream, what are you doing? Make sure to like the stream. We're here every single day. Let's get rid of my GA trade that I took yesterday over here on the trades called. So as I said, this week, I actually could put that in 1 second. We have taken 8 trades. That's gonna be way too big. I'll do it later. Yeah, 8 trades, 7 wins, 1 loss. Gold just made my weekend. Nice. Right, let's take a look at some charts. I know someone just sent one in over here. Let's take a look. Can you tell us a shortcut of how to draw rectangular lines? What, like that? That? You just click the rectangle and do it. And then go into the settings to show, like, if you want to extend it and stuff. Very, very easy. Okay, where is this chart? Okay, where is it? Where is it? Someone sent it in, I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, Adnan. So, look at my chart. Okay, let's take a look. Looking at each of the charts is amazing because it gives you second kind of pair of eyes of what you want to see. It's great. You have to be able to be comfortable in asking for someone to look at your chart. So let's take a look over here. Oh wow, impulse entry over here. Like a celery play and exceeding these lows, stop loss above. Nice 6 pip stop. Okay, that is beautiful. Let's take a look where that was over here. Was that on the 15-minute? Yeah, here. Nice. It looked like it played out over here, I think. Yeah, so you would have got 10 pips. Beautiful. That's cracking. Amazing. Very, very easy trade that you caught there. And you got in just after exceeding these wicks as well to give you a bit more confirmation. Wow, very, very good. So I close the position on 5 pips. Ah, so you close your position at 5 pips profit. Nice. Wicked. Because you only had a 5 pip stop anyway, so good 1-to-1 risk to reward. Beautiful. Very, very good. Let's take a look over here. Max risky. Jason. Max risky trade that. Which one? This one? Has support. Breaking support. Celery play. Not too bad, I don't think. Not too bad. Bro, GJ buy or sell? Please tell me. It's nothing yet. It may be a sell shortly. It's going to be a sell when we come back down to this zone over here to look for continuation and then to fill this zone up. But at the moment, there is nothing. The reason why I say there's nothing is because there's a bit of traffic to the left over here. I like how this 15-minute has closed though, to be honest. This goes bearish, just goes below support. I mean, you could potentially take some trades over here. Let's see how big this pull-up is. What I'm trying to think is, right, if this makes a top wick and then flips and exceeds these wicks, I may take a trade. But is there enough zone? Only 10 pips. That's a bit shit. 30 minutes time, we're getting the hourly closure and the 30-minute closure, so that is pretty good. Yeah, we'll see how much this top wick does, because I think if we do flip it, exceed these lows at 157, 131, I think it could be quite a good zone to break. You know, there's clean candles over here. The only issue is that the zone to the low is only like 10 pips. That's the only issue I have over here. But that's completely fine, completely reasonable. So yeah. Just checking something on my YouTubes over here. Okay, wicked. Right, beautiful. So let's see if we could actually get into a trade over here. I think this could be valid. The only issue is this kind of zone over here as well. Left to see over here. Left to see. Let's see if gold is still valuing over here. Oh my god, it's gonna be hitting RTP over here. Would you still get in with London Open in a few minutes? Yeah, I think it's still got enough time, isn't it? Yeah, 12 minutes. If this was maybe 6 minutes, then I wouldn't. But I think like 9 plus, then yeah, probably. Let's just see over here. Yeah, it is a bit choppy over here, just chilling. Let's take a look at GBPUSD. Oh, we're coming down over here. Nice. Still coming down. Oh, by the way, I just got some. I think I guys told you before. I got some. I'm a bit of a nerd. I just fancy like a new charger. Oh my god, because like I'm on my phone all day. This thing here is fucking sick. It literally charged my iPhone like 100% in like 20 minutes. It's great. Very, very happy with that. I also tried on the AirPods. I think I'm gonna get the Pro ones. Like Xmas every day for Max. Not yet, not yet. I want to try and get insured on my dad's car. He's got one of this, which he brings out for the winter months. And I've asked Evo 6. He's got an Evo 6 over here. It's in black. It's like a drain pipe, the thing. This is sick though, and it's tuned, so it's this shit is rapid. It's like 0 to 60 in like 2.9 seconds. But yeah, I think my insurance may be a bit too much on here. Look at the drain pipe. They're well sick. Like a proper rally car. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I really like that. It's pretty fire. So coming up over here, I mean, if we do start flipping now, there could be an option if you guys want to take it. I'm thinking I might just wait for this hourly. We shall have to see. 26 likes, guys. You guys haven't liked the stream yet. What are you doing, man? Make sure to like the stream. Like the stream. And as I said, you know, guys, if you guys are new over here and you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to do so, because every single month I'm going to be giving away some magic keys, but it's on any of my posts, so you have to just comment on any of my posts. So, for example, I think this one yesterday, quite a small post, 2 people have commented. I could pick this thing and then draw a random number, 1 to 2. So there's a 50% chance they win over here. So yeah. Always try and comment on the posts if you're wanting some magic keys. I'll put in my Instagram in the chat over here. So it looks like GA is coming down over here now. Nice. Ooh, GJ is flipping over here. So where would your stops be if you wanted to get in here? Yeah, the higher the previous. The higher the previous. It's just the hourly, you know, we need the hourly to make a top wick over here. So 8 minutes time. I may take this out, but I think this could work potentially, to be honest. Look at the 15-minute rejecting. 5-minute coming down over here. Let me just get my Telegram up over here. So yeah, webinar's coming out today, guys. Pretty good webinar over here. I spent a lot of time on it. So that'll be pretty fun. That'll be pretty fun. Let's take a look. So GJ gold. My issue is, look, the hourly. I know the hourly does. The daily doesn't have a bottom wick. Yeah, the daily doesn't have a bottom wick over here. Look. So if the daily doesn't have a bottom wick over here, well, look at all the candles. They all have bottom wicks and top wicks. So there is like a 90% chance we're gonna make one at some point today. Know what I mean? I'm here for magic keys, yeah, boy. Some magic keys. We are actually going to be hitting 1,250 subscribers very, very soon over here, which is going to be mad. Bear in mind, like 2 weeks ago we were at 1,000, so growing very, very nicely over here. Yeah, so I'm going to wait for this closure over here and see what GJ presents over here. Gold, that was the move over here, but you know, sometimes with a no bottom wick you just have to take the discipline over here. Yeah, like stuff like this, you can't go, oh well, I wish I entered now. It's like, well, no, like that. Where is your discipline over here? You know, how many times out of 10 is that going to actually work? Well, it's going to work once out of 10, because, you know, 90% chance we do make bottom wicks. You have to be careful. Is there anywhere we can get your setup images? Yeah, that's for the mentorship group. That is the only way to get them over here. They are in a folder in the chat over here. So if you go to the mentorship group over here. So in the space, we've done this for like a month now. 25 videos, all webinars, all simulations. And then I've got photos over here, all the setups which you can save and stuff. Yeah, so that's just for the group over here. As I said, if you guys are wanting to join over here, I think so. Let me just check over here. So there's 26 people here, but 24 have actually paid. So 24 people. So I'm wanting 2 more people, I think, to sign up, or 23 people. So yeah, 2 more people to sign up, and then we're doing the giveaway over here, £100 plus giveaway, which is pretty fire. So make sure to come and join if you guys want to have a bit more help with your trading over here. A squad of 8 this week. What if you guys give me some reviews as well? How you liking the mentorship this week in the chat? Have you enjoyed it? Have you learnt a lot? I think the most people enjoy is that it's basically the discipline that I'm giving them. If I wasn't in Sasha's team for NY, I'd be in that mentorship like a pig in shit. Sasha's my boy. Good lad he is. Let's take a look over here. So 5 minutes now. There's not enough time to get into a trade over here. A goddamn star, yeah, boy. Yeah, Sasha enjoyed this week actually, and I think he's taken. He may have taken my 1 loss in gold in one of the days, but the rest winners over here. So 4 minutes left. We'll see. 37 likes, amazing guys. Coming towards London Open. Let's get it. Why have I got 2 GJ trades, GJ windows open? Get that off, boy. I'm gonna be taking a look at some news. I'm gonna be taking a look at some new charts over here. Let's see if there's any in Discord. None in Discord over here. Maybe tonight, guys. Actually, I'm doing something tonight, but maybe later on today. I might be playing some CS:GO, and I might come in here and take that over here. Someone took some gold cells. Ooh. Ooh. That looked pretty good, to be honest, yeah. But then when this one closed bullish over here, I would have been taking some off. So, you know, when prices close in the opposite direction, is that really what you wanted to see? So if not, you probably should have taken off 50% over here. That's what I would have done. But yeah. Wow, look at that. So gold really flying over here. GBPAUD just tapped our zone that we're looking for. Some cells to get closures, so it looks like it is quite a big support over here. Gold sell, at least gold need retest first before continuation. I wouldn't be selling gold. Yeah, I wouldn't be selling gold over here. You know, try not to be a hero. Try not to like think like you're amazing. Like, yeah, a sell could happen. You know, it's not. There's a probability it'll work, but why would you be just taking a sell when look at the 4 hour, look at the daily, look at the hourly, look at the 30-minute, look at the 15-minute, look at the 5-minute. Like, you know what I mean? It's just it'll be against it. Very, very risque. You say over here more than Raja. I probably got it from Raja, to be honest. Listening to his streams for like 2 years. Yeah, Sashin's in it, my boy. But 4 hours least candle rally base rally retest to sell. I thought you meant to be to me as in Sasha. No, Sasha's trading with the pack. Good lad, I really like him. He's this guy. Very, very nice. I like him. Pack. Yeah. Yeah, he's a good lad over here. 125 views. Wow, he doesn't like getting that many views. Bless him. It's because Raj is on in it.
Three, 5, 1.
He loves the reversal.
Oh yeah, because it was on the 30 minutes. Sorry.
I do really like Sasha. He's a good lad. I love a Sasha dogtail setup. So we're getting a closure over here. For me, price action on GJ isn't the best at the moment. I'm going to have to be waiting a little longer. These 30 minutes, what are these 30 minutes quick show me? Someone tell me now. 3, 2, 1. What are they showing? Someone in Zoom tell me.
Indecisions?
Probably not indecisions. Try and think what the wicks are. They're coming down to zone. They're pulling back up.
Rejections?
Yeah, boy. Beautiful. Rejection. Yes, well done everyone on YouTube as well. Beautiful. rejections to the downside. You know, price is starting to come, it's tapping a zone over here, and then the body of the candle's closing all the way back up. It's had 30 minutes of both of these candles to close below, and it can't do it. Therefore, it could suggest to me that we are making some support over here, and resistance is rejecting the lows over here. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. Well done, Kelvin. Well done, Sashin. Nice. So you can see price action compared to yesterday is not the best, but this is why yesterday is that you need to take advantage of, okay? And that's what we did. You know, you have to take them big trades, and then when, you know, price is maybe ranging a bit like this, or just a bit price action, just don't take any trades. Wait until the moves are nice. So like yesterday, if we take a look at our price action over here, you know, rejections over here, so it comes down, retests. Rejections here nicely. Let's take a look before as well. 8 o'clock. There's an 8 o'clock push. Then through 11:45, we got some nice bull runs over here, which were actually pretty good. I actually said here was an entry. With stop loss below over here. I think a lot of people took this trade. And then later on, furthermore, we reject these highs again. And for me, probably a trade here would be nice. I think Raja took that trade. So rejection from the highs over here. Comes back down. We've got clean candles to the left again. A closure below. Wait for this little top wick and then drive down would have been quite nice. For me, the stop loss would have had to have been probably around about this area over here. Then continue down. Let's see, look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute looked clean with it as well. So yeah. Very, very good price action on all pairs yesterday. GBP, buy or sell, tell me. It's nothing. It's not a buy or a sell. Just chill. Can I get into your learn and earn and you trade it for a challenge along with it and clear it? I can't trade it for you, but I mean, if you come and turn up, you're going to probably do well on that over here. So yeah. A lot of people, I think, in the mentorship do have funded challenges that they are doing. So yeah, for sure. And we're averaging about, like, I mean, this week I'm up like 12% because of the trades that we took. So yeah, looking pretty good over here. That's the big question. Just chill, man. And there's no setup. Try not to rush in, man. Stop rushing in. You have to wait for the setups, okay? Stop trying to get in early because it's just gonna, you know, hit you in the ass over here. So it looks like we are coming down, which is nice. But for me, price action's a bit ass over here. You know, try not to get in early because look, let's just go on here. Look, actually, where is it over here? Where the fuck is it? I'll go up on here. I don't know why it isn't showing me now, but yesterday I looked on it. Let's take a look over here. Let's go to my folder. Pictures here. This is what was on the website yesterday. I can't find it there, but yeah. Look at that. 73.59%. So there's reasons why I'm telling you you have to wait, you have to be patient, you have to wait for confirmations because the rest are just trying to buy and sell and they will just lose money eventually. So it's a very, very hard thing to do because it's all against all of your natural instincts trading. You have to be disciplined, you have to be able to take a loss by yourself, taking the own loss. Max, email me that setups, please. Bro, it's in the mentorship, I can't. I gotta just give it out for free when people paying for that good stuff, so yeah. So for me, what I'm looking at over here as well, we do have a minor support right here as well. So this is kind of the zone it's tapping in over here. So yeah. Wow, look at this. Gold's still coming up over here. So gold is not a sell, I repeat. Max, can you check my analysis? For sure thing. Have you sent it on Discord? No. I can't see it in the. You posted it before, man. Yeah, I didn't post it. I just showed you it. But what up from Serbia? Nice, Serbia. Cool, wicked. Samantha, it's not in the chat. You have to don't do like HTTP, like it won't come, it just blocks it. You need to just do the little bit over here, the screenshotted bit. Wow, from Serbia. Yeah, where is everyone? Where is everyone living over here? Where is everyone from? Also in the Zoom, where is everyone from over here? I have a lot of Australians, man. Half of my Zoom chat when we were on live streams, fucking Australians. Jordan, wow, amazing. Nice, some unique places over here. Uganda, Aussie, Lebanon, holy shit. Mexico, nice. Cape Town. Good old Luton. Shithole. Me and Finn talk to shit, he never mutes. Mate, Finn's speaking to his mates half the time, but he forgets that he's unmuted.
Yeah, sorry. Man.
I like it, it's funny.
I get the link in Telegram, I just click on it, and it just comes up, and I'm talking to my mates, so sorry.
It's funny, I'm like, I'm like, Finn, what you want, bro? I'm like, you're speaking fucking English, bro. Like, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Sorry, man.
Nah,
I promise, I'll stop.
Nah, don't worry, I like it, it's funny. So it says, Batman, North Korea. I hope you're joking there, holy shit. I watched something about North Korea yesterday. Holy shit. I'll actually show you it over here. Where was it? Yeah, Lad Bibles, like, they're doing like little things over here. They're quite good. I've actually watched like pretty much all of them. Let's take a look over here. So if you're ever thinking that your life's shit, right, or thinking down or thinking depressed, I highly recommend to watch this because it'll put it very much in perspective. Where the fuck is it? 1 second. This one. How I Escaped North Korea Twice, right? Watch that and it'll put your life in perspective. I'm fucking telling you. Holy smoke, she's had a disgusting life. So yeah, go watch that if you feel like ass, because it'll kind of put it in perspective over here. Yeah, man, like, you think like escaping North Korea, like you're happy after that. Oh my god, ridiculous. China being twats as well, so yeah, not good. So it is coming down over here, but for me, GJ, I think it's making support. Can you think that? Like, can you feel that? I can. Right around this area now. You know, we are making some support. We will be flipping the daily again. For me though, I am going to be looking for buys above over here. No point getting in these lows because we don't have the 4 hour in our time frame. I'd rather have the 4 hour. Guys, North Korea is crazy. North Korea is fucking crazy. I don't know how we aren't going up as like a group in like the world and like just saying what the fuck is going on over here. Like, ridiculous. So how do you manage your positions while you're in like securing the partials and making the trade break even? So, you know, when I'm in a trade over here, there's lots of things I do. And, you know, how do I manage my positions? Well, for me, I manage positions probably looking at the 5 minutes or the lows of 15. So, for example, if I was in a trade, let's just say if I was in this trade over here and I took a buy like here, okay? My stop loss is below the previous. You know, I'm not looking at how much I'm trying to make. So, you know, I would love to see you. So, you know, you can do those like tests of like what you're looking at. So when I'm in a trade over here, I'm not looking at this bit. I'm not looking at this bit. I'm not looking at this bit. I'm not looking at how much money I'm making. I'm looking at where I can get out. So like the whole time over here, let's just lock that. I'm looking at, right, so I'm in this trade now. So obviously, guys, I'm not in this trade. I'm just doing an example over here. Don't try and say, oh, you fucking buy. Like, I'm not in this trade. But what I'm saying is that, so when prices, we've got 6 minutes now. Would I want this candle to flip bearish over here? Probably not. Okay. I think that would be quite silly now. 6 minutes, I kind of want this to push off. If it comes and flips, it's not the best. So for me, like, how am I going to manage this trade over here? I've got a 10 pip stop already, but how can I manage the trade? Well, you know, I can look at the 5 minutes as well. I can go, right, do you know what? I think if I do come back down over here, probably right around to this area, 175, 157, 175, I could potentially take off 50% over here. Or I could put it at 157, 197 now. So that's what I'd probably do. I'd probably do this. I don't really want the candle to flip anymore, okay? So 50% off, okay? I'm always looking at how to manage my trade over here. And for securing, all I'm looking at is, you know, zones where we could have rejections. So like here is where I'd probably put my break even over here. So right around this zone, like here, I'd probably put a break even. So right now, if I was in this trade, obviously I'm not in this trade, as I've said 15 times. And now I'd be like, right, my stops are break even over here now. And we should continue. We do have some rejections over here. I expect with volume to push past it though, and to continue bullish. And there you go. So you know, what I was only thinking about here was how to minimize my risk over here. And then when it actually starts going in my right direction, why do I need to look at that? Like, I know I'm going to secure some soon, you know, make some money over here, don't really care. I'm looking at how to manage the trade. You need to always think about that. There's no point looking at here and how much money you're going to make. It's how much you can, you know, take off the table when it goes in the wrong direction. Okay. Hey Max, how long do you recommend trading, practicing a demo, and then moving to $100 live? I think practicing on a demo is going to be, you know, getting your fundamentals like nice. Like for example, like coming to the streams, I think that's quite good. But then I think going to the $100 live quite quickly after, I'd say like 2-3 months, because you need to learn about the stuff which always hits people, which is the psychology. As I said, I'll show you my little psychology webinar I'm giving to my members over here. There's a good quote in here. I'll take a look. But basically, I'll get it over here in a second. You know, more market analysis is not going to be the thing that's going to help you from trading. Okay, it's not going to be. So this is actually a really big one. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, I can't go through it anyway, but there's a part in it over here where it's really good quote. But yeah, you have to be, you know, it's not about the market analysis, it's how you deal with your emotions and your psychology that will make you succeed in trading. Okay, that's what you gotta do. So over here, probably would have been a break-even trade over here. Obviously, I just did it for just showing you how to manage a trade over here. So that would have been hitting at break even, but that's good. Look at that 5 minute. Why would you want to be holding that trade on anymore? There's no point. So check Max's recent Instagram post. Max, watch Discord. I said chart. Okay. Oh yeah. I just did a new post on Instagram as well about new traders. But yeah, so the reason why I tell people to start with a $100 live account is well, to be honest, it depends. It needs to be an account where it's gonna piss you off. So for example, if you've got $100 like just a splash that you spend that on like a fucking like an evening, then it's not gonna really do much to you. You need to do it so where it's gonna hurt you a bit, but you have to come to the realization, and I'm telling you it, that you are going to lose that money. I'm telling you 100% you are gonna lose that money. Not straight away. You could actually double the money, you could probably triple the money, you could probably 10 times the money, but overall you are going to lose that money. in the first, you know, 6 months, 5 months of trading, I'm telling you, because we're human and there's just so many variables against you. This takes a long process. You have to be such disciplined. Hey, how long took you to get disciplined? Probably like 2-3 years, to be honest. For me, it took a lot of time because I'm a risk taker, more of a gambler's mindset, so I had to really focus on how to get out of that. So apparently most people who are extroverted struggle with stuff like this because they're more risk takers, where people who are introverted normally actually tend to be better traders over here. So I had to really get on with that. Thank you, Stunt, for subscribing to the channel. Amazing. Thank you very much. So yeah, it's all about your emotion side, which, you know, is very tricky. But as I said, guys, if you do want a book to look at, you need to really read Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone is amazing book to look at over here. Let's take a look. London stream here. So Max, I took GUSL. What are your thoughts? Okay. Break the trend line. Entry in the 50-minute. Okay. So what can I see over here already? What can I show you? So you entered on this candle over here. What is everyone going to say right now? 3, 2, 1. What are these wicks showing? Go on. Let's do.
Huge rejection.
Yes, huge rejection. Rejection. So these candles over here are showing rejection. I know it's still like nice. You got to, you know, you broke the trend line, but these candles over here are showing rejection. Look how much. So this is the 50-minute time frame. Look how many of them rejected, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I mean by that is price came all the way down and then came all the way back up, closed, and you can see where the support is kind of forming right in this area over here. Okay, so when you start seeing this is very, very scary. You have to be able to kind of identify that and just say, hell no, these rejections are not looking like sells over here. If these are strong candle closures, then that's fair enough, but you know, same as here, look, rejecting the highs, price comes in, can't close above, and then we see a downfall. So yeah, all about rejection over here. But yeah, try not to think just a trend line. Like, for example, you know, you can make that trend line do so many different things. This is why I think trend lines are just they're a bit useless, because like, look, let's just see in GU over here. GBPUSD. So for me, the issue is like a trend line, it can be done. So it's actually done this over here, beautiful. But a trend line can be made, you know, on no matter what you want. It could be, it's just done on your bias. Like, you know, you could have it here, you could have it here. Like, I just don't get it. Like, you could have it like here. I don't know. I think the trend line can skew your thoughts over here. Breaking the support. What is this on? Yeah, so GBPUSD now. Let me just, all my stuff is not on because I haven't done it over here. I think daily's over here. 4 hours bearish. Let's take a look at daily. So daily's looking good. So the good thing is that you were with the higher time frames over here. Right on the daily flips. I mean, potentially, but the thing is that GU is such a small zone. 4 pips, like, to the next. Like, that's why trading GU for me. It's just not there, man. There's not enough pips for me. Oh, breaking support in GA. Yeah. Ooh, got a little closure over here. Nice. 50 does have a little bit of support over here. It's all right. Yeah, I like it, but just this over here, that's a bit annoying. Take a look at the hourly. Yeah, hourly's not looking too bad as well. Too bad as well. Oh, look at GJ over here. Nice. I'm going to wait for this 30-minute closure over here. So hopefully we can close above this little resistance and then continue up and maybe take some buys over here. That could be nice. For a good 5 to 8 months, I was on a penny lot to try and handle the stress of live trades. I was never on a demo, as it's easy to take any trades on demo and not care. Yeah, that's very true. Yeah. Just got the book Trading in the Zone, like you said. I'll give it a read. Yeah, it's very, very good. It makes a lot of sense. It's a very, very good book. Very, very good book. Has anyone in Zoom taken any trades yet? No. Yeah. Me neither. Me neither. Jai Shi Radish Fisher. Just got tuned in the book. Nice. 45 likes. Amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, what are you guys doing? I have a PDF for that book. Nice. Yeah, I like the audiobook. I can't read for shit. I hate reading. I don't have an attention span for reading. I just can't do it. I was one of them kids at school with the English books, and I just had to like fucking flick the page and everyone else did and never read. I just hated it. Beautiful. So we hopefully be getting a nice strong 30-minute candle over here in 11 minutes time. Be nice if it's around 399 zone. So then continue the bulls over here. So flip the daily time frame now. Nice. 4 hour is rejecting these lows over here, so that'll be quite interesting. Calling that police. 47 likes, amazing. Let's smash this like button for Friday. It's Friday then. Why is my room so hot today? Holy shit. Oh, why is that thing not plugged in? Oh, I was taking a look at them So I'm gonna get the AirPod Pros. I've decided because they are quite. I tried them on in store and they actually fit. So. Yeah, because the Pro ones over here, they have the little tips that are in. Like the new ones over here, they still don't. So I think I'm gonna get these ones over here. That noise cancelling them was sick. I was really surprised. I didn't think they were gonna be that good, but they worked really well. Oh my god, the new Macs over here are gonna be beefy, but that shit's expensive. So if I wanted the 16-inch, because that's got the Pro Max in it, it's gonna be like $3,000 or something, I think. $3,000. Yeah. Oh, look at that beef dog. Nice. GA celery played out. Let's take a look over here. Ooh, celery play, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, that celery was quite nice actually. So celery play, we know exactly where this is. Let's take a look. So the body of the candle was quite small as well, which makes sense. So if we take a look at our setups over here. Where is it? Somewhere. Celery. Look at that. Exactly the same here, boy. Where'd you get that phone charger from, Max? Anchor. Got it from their website. Anchor. They're known for like their fast charging and shit. Literally came out on the 17th. Very, very cool. I literally charged my phone like instantly. And the cables here as well, like really, really high quality. I got this one. Nice. But if it broke it in the first minutes, would you still take it? Let's take a look over here. So it probably did break in the first couple minutes, isn't it? Well, I had a top wick, so yeah, and like the stop over here was quite valid over here. 10 pip stop. Yeah, I think that would have been valid. Rejecting the highs, coming to the lows. Yeah, I think I probably would have taken that. Are MacBooks good for trading? No, because they don't have MetaTrader on. You don't need a big beefy computer for trading. It's not really needed. I only need a big computer because I'm streaming. Like, I've got my fish tank over here. Big fish tank. 48 likes, amazing. So yeah, I mean, GU over here is pulling back up. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ is just chilling. I mean, look at the volume over here. Not looking the best, to be honest. A good risk management example for GA trade. How to manage risk? Let's take a look over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we got in over here, right around this area, with stop loss above, it's a nice stop loss. Okay, and then target these wicks down here. So for what I'd have done was let's take a look over here. 10 pips. I think if we came and exceeded and flipped the 5 minute over here, I think I would have taken off 50%. So here. So like I'm using the 5 minute because like if this 5 minute over here, if this one over here comes back up and then exceeds this high, then it's kind of rejecting these lows, isn't it? So around about 6 pips, I'll take off 50%, and then obviously the rest will run to here. So that'll be a nice 8 pip stop loss over here. Then that's very, very good for what we could get over here. 17, so 8 pips is like a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Very, very nice. Once I just let that dog out. So that would have been pretty solid over here. Have you placed any trades yet? No. I'm still kind of waiting on GJ over here, but it hasn't given me much of confirmation. Gold I couldn't really trade because it just ran off. A GBP AUD was quite a nice setup over here, to be honest, but I didn't really see the celery, unfortunately. I was looking at the 30 minute and we didn't get closures below, but probably would have taken that on the 15 over here. I think demo is good to get your setups down and make sure you have an edge. Yeah, I think so. Please, anyone would be my friend. I use MT5 on my MacBook Pro. Yeah, do you use Parallels or do you use over here? 74 viewers, amazing guys. So yeah, I mean GBPUSD over here coming down. People who took that celery over here, very very nice. Coming towards support. So this is where I'll be taking some profits off over here and leaving a little runner on. You know, 15 pips profit, nice little runner, easy peasy. Looks like GJ is starting to come up over here now. Okay, so flipping the 4 hour very soon as well, not too bad. Yeah, daily flipped on GJ, which is good. It's starting to make some support over here now. Looking pretty nice. Oh shit. Ah, shut up. Sorry, it's on my keys, fuck's sake. Shut up. There we go. Okay, so a closure in 4 minutes time is going to give me some kind of confirmation over here. I think that could be pretty nice. Max, what is your view on GBPCAD? Let's take a look over here. GBPCAD. Oh, what the fuck is this guy doing? Wait. Would you wait for the 4 hour to flip on GG before taking buys? Yeah, and that'll also go. That'll also go with closing above. So yeah, when we close above here, that'll be flipping the 4 hour, and then yeah. So right around this level over here, I'm gonna be looking for buys for sure. But look at this, like it's kind of not the best price action over here. Did you take gold buys? Unfortunately not. I would have been taking gold buys, but there was no bottom wick over here. No bottom wick over here. So I wouldn't have taken that. If this candle over here did this, then continue, then yeah, I would have entered, but it didn't over here. So, you know, I need to use my discipline. I don't like trades with no bottom wicks, so I keep it out. I keep it out, keep it out. So, you know, this trade over here is a FOMO trade that people would have been like, oh, I wish I just took it now. It's like, well, do you wish you just took it? Yeah, this time it ran off nicely. But, you know, if you did that 100 times, how many times is it going to work without making a bottom wick? So it's all about that, you know. Even though on paper, yeah, it looks obvious, like, why didn't I take this trade? But, you know, repeating this kind of setup 1,000 times over here, not waiting for the bottom wick can be very, very dangerous. Sell on GA. What was I looking at? GBPCAD. Let's take a look over here. So it looks pretty bearish to me. Pretty bearish over here. 4 hours as well. Looks pretty bearish. Nice. Hourly. Coming down. There's a lot of traffic over here. GBPCAD. Let's take a look at zones. So if you break these lows over here, 20 pips down, that's quite nice. So probably for me, I'd be looking for sells below this zone over here, 1.6998. I think that would be nice to drop down and fill this zone over here, which is 20 pips. Very, very bearish. You know, we've got rejection over here. For me, it'd be buys above 1.70671. That'd be nice. There it is. Sell on GA 1.8399. Well, right now. Nice. I hope that works well for you. So still continuing down over here. Holy smokes! Yeah, GJ. So gold now relaxing. You know, don't be worried. You know, if you miss the move over here, you missed the move. You try not to get in now. It's just a bit risky. Let's take a look then over here. So we've got 30 minutes to close for the hourly over here. It's only 11:30. GJ short? No, I think I'm going to be looking for GJ buys in a sec over here. As long as you get closures above over here. For me, I'm going to be looking for shorts below this zone over here, or below this zone to be honest, probably now, because we made support over here. If we do break support, we could continue down. So that is what I'll do, boy. 55 likes, amazing guys. If you haven't liked the stream yet, what are you guys doing? If you go back on the trades this week, yeah, we haven't taken any losses on London, I don't think, apart from my gold one, I think, on Monday. Apart from that, really, really solid trades. And as I said, make sure to go check out my YouTube channel, not the YouTube channel, the YouTube thing I did yesterday. What's it called? YouTube, my YouTube video. There we go. Got it out finally. Very, very simple. Oh my god, that was scary. Holy shit. PewDiePie. Okay, 50 minutes closed over here. Nice. So for me, I mean, it's not above my support, so I don't really care too much. I think I'm going to wait for this 30 minutes to close over here. Oh, sorry, the next 50 minutes to close over here, I think. G8, nice sell traffic to the left side. Yep. And I could continue down over here. That was a really nice entry. Who took that entry over here? Very, very solid. Up like 24 pips now. I wish I was looking at the 15. I was looking at the 30. I was like, no! No! Let's see how many people server rules over here. 276 people have actually clicked it over here. Oh, I finished Squid Game today. Not yet today, yesterday. Very, very good. Why isn't rice moving so much? Rice? What the fuck? Are you trading rice? Are you trading rice in this bitch? Golden GA paying before the weekend starts. Yes, sir. Paying for some nice 22 pips. Nice Roche. Beautiful.
Sorry.
It's alright, don't worry. Don't worry. Yeah, for me, the traffic in here is not looking good. So, like, look, take a look at the days like today compared to the day like yesterday. So different. And this is where you normally lose your money. So, that's why I'm waiting for a closure over here. Not rushing in. Wow, look at that. Looked like it played out very, very nice over here. Why isn't price moving so much? Because some days it does and some days it doesn't, but it looks like it's moving nicely in GA over here. I've got to buy in basmati rice. I've got to buy in some egg fried rice. Holy shit. Ooh, look at that rejection now. See, so like getting in over here, in this zone is hard because, there is no confirmation to go up. No top wick to get in on GA. Yeah, I think getting in now is a bit risky. I think getting in here or here was quite nice. If you got in here, where would your stops be? Yeah, 13 pips. Egg fried rice, defo bullish. Egg fried rice definitely is bullish. Oh yeah. Egg fried rice is for sure bullish. Come on, GJ, show me something. Show me something. Oh yeah, I saw the new Venom movie. Very disappointed. I mean, I'm not gonna do any spoilers because there wasn't any spoilers to be honest. But yeah, very disappointed in it. Same fucking thing like last time. They could have done. Why did they make them a 15? Make it R-rated, man. So pissed off. I'm a big fucking fat nerd as well. I did not enjoy it. Uncle Roger egg fried rice. Oh, Uncle Roger. I do like Uncle Roger's egg fried rice. Oh, you make me want to get a Chinese tonight. Oh, fuck. Probably will, to be honest. Szechuan chicken. Oh, wait. My local takeaway here is nice. Very, very nice. 76 viewers. Amazing, guys. For Friday as well. Shee. I think, right, let's just estimate, right? If I keep on doing this until Christmas, how many days? Let's take a look over here. I want to see how many people like subscribe on a daily basis on average. 1,234. Holy shit. Let's take a look over here. So every 7 days. Oh, we've got another subscriber over here. Thank you very much, Ravi, for subscribing. Amazing. So 72 subscribers every 7 days. Okay, so how many weeks till Christmas? 9 weeks. So yeah, 9 times 72. 648. Yeah, so hopefully that'll be around about 2,000 subscribers by Christmas. That'll be pretty fire. 2,000, holy smokes. And maybe at Christmas over here I might do some Christmas giveaways, because look, let's take a look at my revenue over here now. As I said, you know, all the revenue that I get in here just comes back on the streams. I don't really care about this revenue. It's nothing at the moment, but yeah, so 47. So 47, that's like 2 magic keys. 2 magic keys, nice. If GA make a top we can drive down, will you take it? No, I think GA, for me, the move was here or here. I'm not going to be taking that trade, because of the fact that we're coming towards some supports over here, like here. Coming towards traffic, choppiness, I don't like it, okay? This was nice, you know, I don't really care about this clean candle here as well, but coming down to this traffic, nah. I think you should have been in and out, and if you miss that trade, you miss the trade, you move on, Looking for the 30 and close on GA looks good. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too. So let's take a look. If we do get a 30-minute close over here, or a 15-minute close, so for TP1, if you get in around this area, it will be here. So be TP1. Then where am I going to put TP2? I'm going to probably put it at 680, I think. I think that could be good. TP2. And then TP3 over here. Probably going to be these highs over here. So when I'm looking for TPs, I'm looking at where price came before and had resistance. So price came all the way back over here and had resistance here. So this is a good level to have TP3. And shock, when I do this over here, we're starting to come down over here. So nice. That's for buys over here. For sells, I have to see. 23 minutes left of this hourly over here. 7 minutes time for this 15-minute closure. If you get closures below here, I'm actually going to be looking for some sells, I think. And what would be TPs for this? Well, this would be TP1 over here, around about this area. So, you know, I'm very, very fluid. I can happily take buys and sells, especially with GJ, but I'm having a little cool-off period because of the fact that, you know, we keep on flipping the day in the 4 hour. Kind of suggests to me that it is ranging a little bit, but that's okay. TP2. And if we break these lows, then we're going to look left to see where TP3 could be. Where's TP3? Well, where the price come before, make some support. Twice it came down here, so around this area. It doesn't have to be accurate, just, you know, around about that area, we're going to be taking some profits over here at TP3. And there you go. So now we've got buys and sells, and we're just waiting for price to either do something over here, because for me, GJ is just chilling right now. Like the stream, yeah, man, like the stream. Just read that as well, man. This GJ break may happen at 9:30 PMA data. Yep, exactly. And if so, then I'll leave it because I'm not going to be trading news because I'm not silly. Yes, Jason. Check Forex Factory. Yep. Yep. We checked it this morning. So news came out here negative for retail sales. We buzzing with news. I don't trade news, man. 9:30, I'll leave that to the gamblers over here. Now, sometimes I do gold, to be honest, if there's good setups, I can have a buy, sell. So for GJ, it's a bit, normally that it's not like a big push over here. Do you guys trade US30? I think some people may do. I do not, though. And because Ted doesn't trade it, then there's no go for me. Fuck that. Clearly, he doesn't move nicely, or he'd be trading it properly. So yeah. So hourly's kind of indecisive over here. The 30 minutes just chilling, rejecting these highs again. So interesting. Interessante. Oh, fuck off. Why do you keep on doing that? There we go. Did it 64 likes. Right, so looks like we're actually going to be pretty bearish over here, rejecting them highs again. So, you know, this is why taking buys over here, be careful. Wait for the buys when we get a candle that closes like this, because that's confirmation. Then this is the entry candle. Don't get in early unless you make some solid support like here and get in. But if you get in too late, you know, you're pretty goosed. So pair GJ, I'm gonna be looking for maybe sell stops over here. I'm looking at stop loss as well, so I'm gonna have to be waiting. Yeah, so we've got a lot of time over here. Maybe this 30-minute closure will be interesting. 146.843, and TP3 over here is 146,700. Oh, we just got tagged on Instagram by Samantha over here. If you guys do have Instagram and you want to grow your channel as well, make sure to tag me in posts. Just like take videos of the stream and stuff, and I'll always upload them over here to my story. I'll always upload them. Yeah, GJ choked at the moment, just kind of chilling, waiting for a confirmation. 15 minutes started making some support over here, nice. GBPUSD looks choked as hell, boy. GBP, so out over here has done exactly where I want. It's tapped the zone, but yeah, as I said before, if you miss the move like here and here, then that's fine. You just have to take that on the chin and move on. Missing moves is really a part of trading that you have to just get on with, and you have to just, you know, take it with a pinch of salt. Don't be there, oh fuck's sake, I missed the move, you know. Like, no one cares, just miss the move and just move on. Just move on about it, man. No worry. Do do do. Do do do. So 79 viewers, amazing guys. But yeah, just waiting for GJ to do something. It might be a choke day over here, but that's completely fine. You know, we know the news is coming up. We have to be careful over here and see how the news comes out. Let's take a look later on. Is there actually any news for NY? Powell's speaking later on, but we're okay for NY, which is good. But finishing the week off very, very strong. As I said today, this week we have had 7 trades. 8 trades, I think. 7 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. So 9 trades actually. So very, very solid week over here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 1,236. That's much. So did they say I get like 70 a week? Yeah. Oh, we need to get more than that. 70 a week's not a lot, is it? It's just so hard to grow in here. You just have to be put on the page and hope. So like in a month, how many have we done? 294. Yeah, it literally is like that. Do, 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 do. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So guys, if you guys haven't followed me, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. The link is right here in the description, not the description, in the chat with my bot over here, my good night bot. Max, get that cell stop ready. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh snap. Oh snap. Holy smokes. Oh, it's pushed down a lot over here. You know, this range is getting smaller and smaller, but no, that's good, it's good. The 30-minute, nice. The hourly's flipped over here, okay. Don't push all the way, you pussy. If not, I'm gonna have to wait here, unfortunately. So what I'm gonna be looking for is this candle to close over here. Make a top wick and then the drive down, but unfortunately, so you know what I'm looking at over here is I'm not looking at the candle, I'm looking at this zone because support is right here. Okay, now you know if I can't get 10 pips in this zone, then it's a bit of a pain in the ass. It looks like I can't over here, so in that case I'm gonna have to wait probably lower, unfortunately. So you know it's all about that. You know, as much as I really want to get into this trade over here, at the moment, even if it runs off here, that's fine. I can't really get into a trade, but also the zone is too small. Okay, so you're getting in here with impulses would have worked fine, but you know, where's your stop loss there? So nice. So it did that move pretty much in like 2 minutes. I can't get into that trade over here. Look towards the left, even though you know we have volume and stuff. You know, look how much traffic we've got. You know, we have this support here, we've got these wicks here, we've got these wicks here. So I wanted to get in like around about this area. If I can't get into that area over here, then I have to wait until we close below this zone, because they've got clean candles to the left here, and that'll be a nicer trade. So you can see, you know, the discipline over here. You know, everyone's like, oh, sell, sell, sell. Like, yeah, okay. You know, everyone knows it's going down over here. It's just the entries, how to get in, what are the issues. So when you're planning a trade, you need to see what is against you, okay? So for me, what is against me? Well, first of all, I don't have a stop loss, a valid stop loss, unless it's in the range. We've closed too much far in the zone, which is too close to the next support. I've got traffic to the left, which could be wicking me out. I've got traffic to the left again, which could be wicking me out. So all these factors over here, and then you need to decide if the factors are worth taking. So always think of things of what could go wrong with the trade. GBPCAD, yep, flipping over here, nice. GBPUSD still continuing over here, nice. Let's take a look at the hourly now. Hourly's closing in 30 minutes time. This is what I'm going to be waiting for. Hopefully we can close below support over here. That'll be tasty. That'll be very, very nice. Because then the next hourly will make a top wick over here. And then, so this is what I'm wanting to see. I want this candle to close below. Next candle to make a top wick up. And then the drive down. My stop loss is going to be here. That's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, beautiful. We'll take a look and see what happens there when we get this closure in 12 minutes time. 12 minutes time. And yeah, beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to be so I'm going to be trying to get them AirPods, and hopefully I can use them on stream, because these headphones now are like fucking pissing me off. Like, oh, they feel rough. So I'll have to get like a stand-up mic, I think. Love my Astro A50, so comfy. Yeah, man. Are they the Bluetooth ones as well? Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. I said it before, I'll say it again. R8-8-8. What's that? Bro, I'm learning a lot from you from the learning sessions. We'll be hopping into that mentorship real soon, just finishing off some uni stuff. Amazing, man. Amazing. Yeah, come join the squad. We're filling up nicely over here. I think by Christmas we should probably have around 50-60 people in, so that'll be a big squad where we're learning. As I say, I post a lot of stuff in. So like most people who do this like the Telegram thing, all they're doing is the signals. But for me, I'm doing signals, I'm doing webinars, I'm doing simulations, I'm doing dropping sessions, I'm doing 2 live streams. Like that's more than anyone. You know, no one comes close to that. So, you know, so every week I do 10 live streams. Okay, that's ridiculous. 10 live streams for the squad. I do 1 webinar, I do 1 simulation, I do 1 drop-in session, and yeah, so very, very solid. So in the space of like 3 weeks over here, 25 videos. I do weekly outlooks. I do recapping trades. So yeah, beautiful. So coming down over here. So yeah, if you guys are interested in joining the mentorship, really, especially like for example, this week we've taken 9 trades. We took 9 trades, 7 winners, 1 loss, and 1 break even. So that'll be making your money up as long as you've got like £1,000 account or £500 account. That'll be easy for you guys to make the money in only in 1 week. So yeah. The drop-in sessions as well help a lot of people. If it's like, for example, if you're a new trader and you want to ask so many little stupid questions because you know you haven't been here for long, then I'm here for you. So yeah, go check it out. So it looks like we're coming down over here again. Damn, son. But for me, there's no entry. There's no entry I can get in over here. You know, look at the stop losses. So you know you have to chill. Sometimes you miss moves, and you know you can't do anything about that over here. Do 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 do. 87 views for a Friday, amazing. As I said, we are here every single weekday, so on Monday we'll be here, ready to slaughter the charts again. Beautiful. So coming down over here now, so would have been hitting TP1 over here, nice with the entries. But for me, there's gonna be no clear entry for me. Take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah. I mean, in the range, but you know, it's just not valid over here. So a lot of volume coming in. Is GBPCAD still continuing? And AUD, yeah, they are. So all GJ pairs, sorry, all GBP pairs are starting to come down over here. So I want it to relax. 8 minutes time for the hourly closure. Yeah, nice. It's gonna be looking tasty. I want a closure, make the top wick on the hourly, which should tap it into this zone again, and then retrace, reflip, and then that'll be the trade. So now I have to move this over here because I can't get in at this time. Hopefully around about this level. I hope it doesn't drop it down over here. So 994, like here. So I'm going to change these over here. Let's take a look at the left for TP3s. Wait, let me get off 15 minute. Let's look at hourly. So for me, oh wow, we could actually do this whole move here. TP3 could be actually really, really big over here. Because the TP2 is right at the low. If we do break the low over here, we're probably going to put it where resistance was before. Put it like here. For a big runner. Big runner. Big Friday runner over here. Because look at the 4 hours, so 4 hour is bearish over here, nice. Let's just get rid of all this shit over here, because we won't be looking for buys anymore. I want to keep this chart a bit cleaner. It's looking a bit choppy over here, so let's just do this. Look at the lower time frames. Yep. So I'm going to get rid of this one to keep it cleaner. And yeah, wicked. So 7 minutes time, hopefully we can get a closure below, and then make the top wick for the hourly candle, and then drive down over here. Let me just make this bar a bit thinner over here. Look at that. Nice. So yeah, 7 minutes time to see over here. Give the video a like, guys. Yeah, man, let's try and hit some. I've never hit 100 likes yet. 100 likes. I've only hit like 92s, 91s. Oh, bro, I need the 100 likes, boy. But good though. We've been doing the stream now for, let's take a look over here. Started in like August. Let's take a look over here. So I tried a tester, I think, right here. Look at these trades. And don't look at the wicks. The wicks don't count as things. Like, I don't look at this here. I'm looking at the bodies. The body.
Hi, Stephen Green here.
Speaking
founder of
facts
the
there.
Property
Speaking
Investment
facts,
Academy.
man.
Shooting this video today to tell you about this.
These are the candles, the reasons I. So look, no, I'm using OBS though. Ah. Look how many people I had on over here. Let's take a look. Look at the chat. The chat's dead. There's no one on the chat at all. Bless me. Still though, 100 views for the first one wasn't really that bad, to be honest.
Bless you.
Like that. Oh, there. Look at some. Jeez, the OGs. Steezy. Dave O. Jeez. I recognize some. So when was that one? That was 20th of June, and I started properly, and I haven't really missed a day. I think I missed like 1 day or something, or 2 days. So this is where the start was. Yeah, July 26th. So August, September, nearly 2 months now. Is that it? Fucking hell, 2 months. August, September. Oh, it's October. Holy shit. 3 months. 3 months over here. Nice. So 5 minutes time. GC sells. Nope. It's coming towards the supports over here. I think the sales were down when we exceeded the support over here. I think maybe missed the trade over here. Same with like here. Like this is the trade to take like at these price points. But now taking sells here when the support is just very, very risky. Let's take a look then over here. See if we can get this trade on. So closing very, very soon. It's got enough target as well. Nice, like, so if you get in on the flips, yeah, 15 pip zone. Could be quite nice. You have been really consistent with your streams. Yeah, man, thanks. Yeah. Pretty consistent with them. Because I knew, right, like, obviously, there's quite saturated. There's quite a lot of streamers on. But I was like, the one thing that I need to do is be consistent. Because if I'm not streaming, then someone else is. And people are looking at their stream. So you have to be disciplined with stuff like that. Hi man, if the wick is big and your stop loss is higher than 10 pips, like 15 pips, 20 pips, would you reduce your position to take the trade? Nope, I just won't take the trade. Or I'll put a 10 pips over like 5 minutes. I will never change my positions. I like having a set position for the month. So for example, like at the moment now, GJ, I'm using normally like a 3.5 or a 5 lot. It kind of depends on like the days and stuff and like the confidence. But yeah, I never really change the lot sizes throughout the month. I keep it set. Oh, GJ over here, you blasting off, you pussy. Hopefully it gives a nice little wick and then comes back up over here. Closes around about 980 would be nice, but if not, then it seems to be coming down over here. And look where it's coming down. It's coming down to 4-hour support. So it's a bit of a pain in the ass over here now. I need to wait for this closure. If it does come and run all the way to these lows, then I'm just gonna leave it today for sure. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the consistency is everything, I think a lot of people try and do the streams and stuff, but you have to be consistent. I think to most people, I think a lot of people who've been streaming, who like stream, have been doing it for a lot longer than me, but I've been growing quite quick. So I think, I'm a bit of fun. I'm a bit more enjoyable than some streamers. I think some streamers just take it a bit too seriously and a bit boring. Oh shit! Look at that 5-minute salary play over here. Holy shit! Nice. So I mean, that candle over here closing below would have actually been pretty nice. The issue is the stops. The stops would just have to be in the zone over here. 4 hours and yeah. So now I mean, my only issue is taking trades now. I'm probably gonna leave because of the fact that look at the 4-hour time frame. Support. I want maybe to wait for this closure in an hour's time for then when NY comes, maybe give me more confirmation to then fill this wick up here. Yeah, NY could be hot and spicy. So if this NY candle, if this candle over here closes like this, Next one's gonna fanny on between half 9 and half 11. Then half 11, 12, we'll get the drop down and clean candles to the left over here. That'll be very, very tasty. Look at guys could get it close. Look at guys could get it close below. Yeah, for me, I'm looking at the higher time frames now, and I think it could be at a zone where it's hard. I wanted to get in, like I wanted to get in at 140, wasn't it? So it was around about here because there's enough zone. But now we're coming towards these lows over here. Now I think it's just a bit too late, unfortunately. Oh, look at gold over here. Hey Max, so on your magic keys, have you got it set to set lot size and instead of percentage risk? Yeah, it's set lot size on my magic keys over here. Oh, hourly just closing over here. Let's look at the 15 minute. Trying to see if I can get into some gold buys over here. The only issue I have is the bit choppiness to the left. It's still 18 pip zone though, which is not too shabby. How big is the stop loss here? Oh, stop loss is quite muckle. Where did you learn trading? From Mr. Raja Banks, but I didn't buy his course or whatever. I didn't go his mentorship. I just watched his streams for 2 years at uni. So I do exactly what you guys do to me right now, but I did it with Raja when I was at uni. So Max, do some magic keys review. Yep, it's in the process. I've actually got the script over here. Because I'm actually like learning how to actually properly do a trade. Let's take a look over here. Oh, that's not it. That's not it. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, my magic keys review will probably come out next week. So look, script, the hook. Da 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 da. See, I'm getting used to it, man. I'm getting used to it. The thing that I need to do now is the thumbnails. For example, yesterday for that thing I put on. So if you guys do want to take a look at this, make sure to go and watch it. I talk about my GJ trade we did this week. But yeah, like look, I've tried with the lighting, I've tried with the editing of 3 trades through London and NY. See, I'm changing the camera angles, bro. I'm like a YouTuber, man. Understand my entries and why I got into these trades. And I got that. Oh. Fire. So yeah, I go through in big detail how to get into these trades over here. So make sure you go check that out. Make sure to like it as well. 18 likes only, boy. But yeah, it was pretty good. So look at this now. Gold is continuing now over here, which is pretty good. The only issue I have is the hourly doesn't have a bottom wick, so I couldn't get into that trade. So gold's had a lot of no bottom wicks today. The daily didn't have a bottom wick here, and the trade before on the 15 minute and the 30 minute doesn't have a bottom wick. So very bottom wick day. From live streams, yeah, I got it. Clean candles and stuff, cool. Yeah, so I just learned by, you know, going to Raja's stream every day and just listening to him. And by the time, after, like, you know, a year and a half, 2 years, I could basically predict what he was going to say. I could draw the charts exactly like him, and that's how you do it. You have to just listen and it's repetition, basically. That's what it is. It's repetition. And yeah. So GBPUSD, that was a beautiful trade over here. I wish I took that one. Fortunately, I was looking at on the 30 minute though, which is a bit annoying. Thank you, Peter, for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Likes are increasing, but slowly. Yeah, they take time. It takes time to build. So yeah, as I said with GJ, I think I'm going to be waiting for NY and GJ because we came down already. I wanted to get in around about this area with a top wick, but this top wick wasn't big enough for me. And it already closed quite far in the zone already. So, you know, the next support is here. So if you do the measurements over here, a 7 pip trade for a, you know, like a 10 pip, 12 pip stopping back in the zone just wasn't good enough for me. So yeah. Gold is still continuing over here. So to see how far it goes up over here. Yeah, it's risky, exactly. It was risky. You know, it plays off nice in this time, but you can't kind of just think, oh, well, it worked this time. If your zone you're trying to take over here is like 7-8 pips, then what's the point in taking it? Max, I'm done for the day. See you next week. Stay safe. Happy weekend, bro. You too, man. Been a great week today. Sorry, not today. It's been a great week overall. We've smashed it over here. Literally 1 loss, 7 wins. Yes, sir. Market conditions have been great. Very, very nice. If you do that, you can't manage the trade. Exactly, yeah. So, exactly. Don't have a good level to the close 50%. Exactly. So yeah, you couldn't even manage the trade. Like here, I just have to hope it doesn't come. There was nothing I could really do. So that's a trade that I don't want to be taking, to be honest. So later on, guys, you know what time is it right now? It is 5 minutes past 9. Soon we're going to be having GBP news. I'd say relax, take your time out of it. Shame on gold making no bottom wick. Yeah, I know, a bit annoying. Jason, I'm out, guys. Have a good weekend, my man. Have a good weekend. Do you prefer the Magic Key software versus the hardware? Yeah, I like. Well, I don't have the what's it called, the actual physical thing. I just have the on-screen one because why not? Thank you, Lowy, for subscribing. Amazing. Wow, we got a lot of subscribers today. Sheesh. But yeah, I think Magic Key's on-screen version, definitely go cop one. Use my code off as well. You get some time off it. Came from 12-hour shift just for some fun, Max. Amazing. 12-hour shifts. Oh, I could never be doing 12-hour shifts. I'm happy just sitting on here for 4 hours a day and done. Smash that like button for those who haven't. Yeah, man. Hopefully we can actually hit 100 likes today. Only 13 more likes. 30 more likes. Make sure to like the button, man. You know, I'm keeping it. You know, I'm getting you used to the patterns that we do. Thank you, Faz Ali, for subscribing as well. The patterns we're looking for each and every day. If you guys are new here, make sure to go back on my channel over here and look at the past live streams. For example, my trades yesterday. For example, today I couldn't take any trades. It doesn't look like we may get some, but it looks like we may not be. And the reason I'm not looking at GJ much anymore is because the fact that the 4 hour has already done the move over here, and we're coming towards 4 hour support. So when you're coming towards 4 hour support, you know, it's a bit risky. If price was trading like below here, then you know it could be quite nice to continue. But because we've already done some move over here and we are coming and tapped a 4 hour support, it could be quite hard to take some trades. So better to wait for this 4 hour to close and hopefully close below the support. So for when we have NY, we can actually come and continue. And on the 4 hour over here, look, beautiful clean candles. Edwin, 7 wins, 2 losses, 2 break-evens this week. Wow, that's amazing. I got Magic Keys hardware shipped today. Beautiful. Wow, that'd be good. Yeah, the Magic Keys is you need it. You definitely do need one. I can't stress it enough. Just the risk management. I don't even like. The good thing is, like with my trading, like with my terminal and stuff, I don't even have to look at the terminal. Like I literally just have it here. Do open calc, I move it on the screen, and then therefore I'm done, and then I can close half by doing that. Like I don't even have to look at the chart. I don't have to look at the money. I literally don't look at my money. So like I only look at the money that I've made probably every like month, just to take some out for withdrawals. I don't actually look at it like weekly and stuff. I only look at it like percentage wise from that. So yeah, I really want to buy a monitor for trading. Can you tell me your trading monitor name? Is it 4K? So my trading monitor, it's actually a gaming monitor. I'll take a look and try and show you it over here. It is 1440p, 165 hertz. Asus. What's the fucking monitor? Right, 1440p. There we go. 165 hertz over here. Yeah, it is. Oh, I'm trying to see. I think it's this one. 27-inch. Yeah, this one. This is my monitor. Yeah, beautiful. Really, really like it. Very, very nice. Good price as well. I mean, the quality of it is beautiful. I'd really recommend this. It's curved. I like it. I play a lot of CS:GO, and yeah, it works very nicely. I like it a lot. The CS:GO. So yeah, GBP AUD still continuing over here. Holy shit! So I mean, getting in over here with a 10 pip stop loss, up about 50 pips now, you know. But you know, how many times could you have closed some partials over here? Quite a lot. You know, there is a lot of traffic here. Obviously, we just flew and past it, but we didn't know it does that. You know, the amount of times it could react off on these supports over here. So, for me, if I was in this trade, which I would have taken if I wasn't on the 30-minute and I just looked at this, someone goes salary play max. I'm like, oh, it's already done. No, but if I did enter this trade over here, this is how I would have managed. Okay, so. We talked about how I managed to trade in the downside, but for me, and actually taking the trade over here, price came down. We can still see that there is support right around this area. So for me, it is quite bearish though. We do get a nice entry. So around about 11-12 pips, I'll probably take off, you know, 50%, 60%. But because you've got nice clean candles here as well, I'll probably take most of my position off around about this area. So probably take off another like 40%, around about 30 pips profit, because no, this is where support is. I think that's a great time to take it, and the rest I'll probably run to here, which is actually tapped. So, and then I would have taken the rest off here, and that would have been the trade. So, you know, taking advantage of how many strong candles we are, I would have probably taken about 30 pips out of that market over there. For a 10 pip gain, 3-to-1 risk to reward, that's what we take. That's what we take. We had some really good risk to reward trades. I mean, the GJ trade we took a couple of days ago, which I did on the YouTube video, was a 1-to-8 risk to reward. Like, that's just ridiculous. So if you took that 8 times and only won once, you'd be break even. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So it looks like we gained a lot of subscribers in this session, which is fire. So yeah, guys, we're here every single London session, so make sure to come and join. 1,249? What? I thought it was like 1,230 before. Holy shit. Nearly a quarter of way to 2,000 now. Amazing. If you guys haven't subscribed or liked the stream yet, what are you guys doing? We have positive vibes here, good vibes every single day, showing you how to properly trade. I'm not one of them stupid guys who just go, wait, what's that eToro ad? I see it all the time. It's so annoying. It's like the guy who goes, just buy and use a stop loss. Shut the fuck up. Just buy and use a stop loss. Shut up. I get so many trading ads and all of the stuff I'm watching. It's a pain in the ass. It's like, if you're a profitable trader now and you're making consistent results, skip this ad now. I'm like, okay. Give me 1 second. Let me fucking skip the ad. So GBPUSD over here coming down. It is tapping where we thought price could reject over here. So no kind of thoughts there. 90 likes. We hit 90 likes. Jeez. Very, very solid. So look at this, gold over here did tap our zone over here. Oh, we got another subscriber as well. Thank you very much, Mahamud Omar, for subscribing. Amazing, my man. So look, exactly where we thought. Look what happens to the left. Look at the rejection before, when price came up. 1 second. Here, what's happened now? Got the rejection. So that's why taking buys around this time could be risky, because we're coming towards a zone of rejection. Don't just be greedy and think, oh well, we're going to break above here and we're going to come to these all-time highs over here for the past couple of days. Like, no, just chill. You know, your entry over here was probably here, but unfortunately didn't have a bottom wick, so therefore I would have missed the move, and I did miss the move. And then when you come here, you should be taking off profit. So, you know, good traders are the ones that get in at the right time, but bad traders are the ones that try and get in when people are already taking profits, man. You're a man, Max. Thanks for holding us down like gravity. Thank you for coming on, man, and giving me some support over here. So look, exactly how I said it, guys. We've tapped the zone. Where's the support to the left? Here. So what could happen now? We could make some support. So you have to be careful, stuff like that. Very, very critical, okay? Very, very critical about that. So what time is it now? It is 9:15 nearly. We've got news in 15 minutes. And yeah, it's going to be good. We'll see the news. But I'm probably going to be wrapping up the stream over here, guys, now, because there's no more entries for me. And I'm going to be waiting until NY session. Thank you very much, Yashmath, for subscribing as well. But yeah, I'm going to be waiting for the NY session. If you guys do want to join with me in the NY session, that is a private mentorship group. If you guys do want to join that, I'll put the link down over here. And a way to end the week. We've had amazing streams. Only one loss on the stream we've took, and then the rest all winners. So thank you very, very much, guys, for coming on. Make sure to drop a like before you leave, and yeah, the mentorship link will be coming in a second. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you for NY session. Thank you, guys. Peace out. I'll do my cool little montage over here. Peace out, guys. Thank you very, very much. That's way too loud. See you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out.